Today I'm going to show you how to lock your screen while watching YouTube videos on your iPhone. This is super handy if you want to avoid accidental taps while enjoying your favorite content. Let's jump right in. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into your account if needed. Next, find a video you want to watch and tap on it to start on playing. Let's say. Next, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the playback controls. Look for the lock icon. Now look for the lock icon. Here you can find the option to lock screen. Tap on it.
Good morning, Gokuldha.
And that's it. This is how you simply tap on lock. And to unlock it, simply double tap and you'll find the option to tap to unlock, and that's it. Now you can enjoy your YouTube videos without worrying about accidental taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.